morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have a Federal 500 Super Lock here. I mean, this thing is gotta be over a pound. Um, this is the lock that I bought from Tomco. I'll give him another shout out. Yeah, it's Tomco Wholesale Company. Check them out. He's got more of these locks if you're interested in them. They're a good price. Now let's get to picking. I need, let me put it in the vise. And you know what? I'm telling you something on this lock. It's a heavy duty lock, but by itself or whatever, without changing the pins, which I'll do, is just not, this is kind of almost zero bended. I haven't tried to rake it, but I probably could rake it. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm not much into raking. Hey, an open's an open, so don't get me wrong. I'm not down on raking. I'll just pick anything that I can get. So I'm going to go with my Sparrows pick and a little bit of reach on there. I thought I had everything ready to go. Apparently not. Had a tension wrench. Here we go. Okay. We're working on a bunch of challenge locks. My desk is pretty much cluttered. So, bent this a little bit. Alright. Not a difficult pick. Watch it be difficult this time. Click on 1. Click on 2. 3. 4 is loose. Click on 5. I believe that was 1. I'm trying to count the pins on the key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinner. Alright, back to beginning. Click. I think I gotta click at a 1. Gotta pick off the sledge. 1, 2, got a little click on. A little counter rotation there. Okay, gotta click at a 3. 4 is binding. Move it back and forth a little bit. There you go. I think that was 5. It was. Back to the beginning. 1. Nice. Got a little false set going. 2. A little bit more movement. 3. Well, it didn't move that much, but it moved. Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got you, baby. It's really not that difficult a bit. Let's open it up, take a look at what we got inside, and we'll go from there. See if I can do this rather quick. But you guys like long videos anyway, don't you? No. Okay. I need a Phillips head. That looks good to me. This thing is brand new. You can see all the grease in it. I might order just a couple more, so because I need to send these around from Tomco. They're not a bad price at all, so I'm going to see what he's going to give me on a couple of them. Okay, nice heavy-duty core. I like that. We don't need this. I don't need that. Oh, all full of grease. Packing grease. I don't need that. I might put. I just ordered a dome. I don't care about locking it back up. Dome core. I'm gonna see if the dome will fit in here. And then even I won't be able to pick it because I can't pick those kind of locks just yet. they have security or, oh God, if they have sidebars on them. I'm still having a tough time with that, and I'm having a tough time with this. Let us try pushing that back over. There we go. And using the tool that's meant for it. Yeah, can't get in there with that deep. Okay, let's try the real tool that's meant for it. I never have luck with these. Never. Put it on there. Put it on there. And do that. Why won't these things work? Alright, well, this is going to be a long video even though I don't want it to be. I am really, really trying. Maybe the big end. No way. Spin this a little bit. Got it on that edge. Okay, it's a matter of how you do it. There's a first for everything. Okay, I got that. Oh God, wasn't even in camera. Well, I haven't gotten very far. Just struggling. So here we go. Got there. And now I need the key. And I do need a shim. Back up that back there. We're first time the good time. I like that. All right. I'm gonna use this follower. I gotta get me a hollow follower. Yeah. Okay, we'll leave that shim in there for a minute. And don't need no stinking key. Here we go. 1, standard. Not when I get done. 2, standard. It's all gonna be standard. 3, 4. It was just too easy to pick. Nothing done to the core, which I will modify in a minute. Oh God, don't. Every one of them pins fell. Let's see if I can find them real quick. Son of a Yankee Doodle. That's 3. How many more do I got to go? There's all the springs. Okay. 1 second, guys. 1 second. You couldn't have gotten that far. Here's another one. There's my follower. There's another one over there. I think there it is. I got them all. Shim. That just slid right out between my fingers there. And thank God they're all basically the same except for one. It doesn't matter. Let me give you a close-up. Zoom. Okay. Bottom pins. All standard pins. No big deal. Top pins. All standard top pins. And they're all the same size except for number 3. I don't know where it went. But that'll change. I will mix them up. All the springs are the same. That's your Federal 500, guys. Thank you for coming and watching another episode. Sorry about the oopie doopie on the gutting. It wasn't that bad since it was just a stock lock. No big deal where the pins went. I got the key pins in the right order. Hit that like and subscribe button. Please tell a friend. And don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Thanks for joining me. I'm gone.